statutory provision of right to fair compensation act.
Fine. This is not difficult.
Under right to fair compensation, whether
Sir, you started with VOR, therefore I looked at VOR.
Because
otherwise, I would not have looked into that order.
Because I've read, my lord, section 3, which says that if, say, the order is under operation, then that also subsisted, and I've got the right to come before my lord and seek a compensation.
That's right. And whether if suppose if I say that it is without jurisdiction and it is a nullity, then again there will be some hurdle before you.
Then, my lord, one more thing that I would request my lord to kindly consider, my lords. When there is no acquisition proceedings that has happened, my lords, and I have come before my lord for right to fair compensation, my lords.
No problem.
We consider that as well.
No problem, sir. What I am saying at present, I have not reached to that stage. Whether you are entitled or you are not entitled. First of all, your right or title is to be established, and then only I can come to the conclusion that whether you are entitled for compensation or not. First of all, let us clear the first hurdle. This is what my anxiety is. Because there are two documents which are self-contradictory to each other. If you had acquired the rights of a Bhumi Swami, then where was the position of lease?
And what
is it not a self-contradictory proposition?
Milords, may I just submit, Milords, what would happen if these documents were being considered and corroborated with the revisional court, and revisional court has considered that and passed the order, Milords? That's my issue.
मैं आपसे कहूँगा ना sir. Then those will be the hurdles for me, and with your assistance, we will try to clear up those hurdles also.
I'll do that.
है ना?
Madam, civil suit is also pending before the.
Fine, madam. अगर इनको compensation का अधिकार है, how can you take his property? क्या constitutional right नहीं है property का? ये शायद इन्होंने बोल तो दिया था, it is not a constitutional right. It is a constitutional right under 300A, and there is a judgment by Supreme Court also.
Lords, why did I not say? Because the terminology which was not coming at that point of time, Lords, the court has now taken the right from the constitution, and then it has become some vested right of that. So it was not coming in my mind. That's why I have not stated that.
No problem. Earlier it was a fundamental right.
Exactly. No, that's the point.
Then it was taken out from the chapter 3, and then 300A has it. 300A here. Now recently means about 2 or 3 years back, it has been held that it may not be a fundamental right any longer, but still it is a constitutional right, and you cannot deprive a person from the property without following due procedure. So it is a constitutional right. Agar he is entitled to retain that property in whatever capacity, can you take his property? That is the question. So वो पहले हम इनका right determine कर लें, and then we will come to that question.
Because under Indore Development Authority, one of the